I started using this Vivo V30e mobile for more than a week as my primary device. In this full in-depth review, you are going to see the good and bad things I noticed in this mobile. Also, you will know whether this is the best 5G smartphone under 30,000 rupees price range or not. First thing, inbox contents. This Vivo V30e comes in a big box. That means you get the charger in the box. In the box, you get the Vivo V30e mobile followed by a transparent back case along with a Type-C to Type-A cable. A SIM ejector pin is also there, followed by a 44 watts flash charger and some paperwork are available. Coming to the back case quality, it's not good guys. The cutouts are good, but the overall grip is not there. It feels cheaper. For example, look at the sides. It's not rigid or in contact with the mobile to give the good protection and grip. I recommend you to buy a new case. Don't use this for long time. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of each segment. Starting with the display, this is a 6.71 inch with a screen to body ratio of 93.3%. You see the curves on both sides of the display. This is a 20:9 aspect ratio display protected with Scott sensation. Coming to the build quality, it's a plastic frame and plastic plus glass on the back side. The overall weight of the mobile is 189 grams. You can easily hold this in one single hand and use the mobile. Personally, I'm not too fond of these curved panels. It's really hard to maintain and also the repair cost is too high. Coming to the thickness, it's just 7.7 mm. It's so thin and you can easily hold in single hand like this. After using the display, I felt it was good. Previously, I used the Moto H40 Neo that comes with a curved panel like this. See, most of the time I use the gestures and those are good to use in these curved panels. Coming to the screen quality, this is the AMOLED panel that produces 1.07 billion colors. This screen can goes up to a peak brightness of 1300 nits. The outdoor visibility is also excellent. I didn't face any brightness issues at all. This one is supported by a 120Hz screen refresh rate. If you want, you can decrease it in display settings as well. I used this in 120Hz all the time. There is no issue at all. Also, this mobile comes with a pre-applied screen protector, which is nice thing. This display comes with a low blue light certification as well. I played so many games, watched a lot of movies and even used the cameras in outdoor conditions. For everything, this display is amazing. If you are looking for a mobile only for media consumption, this display is amazing for you. The under display fingerprint sensor works well and there is no issues at all like not scanning or error. It works fine without any issues. For this price, these display specs are good for what you are actually paying. Also, the sound quality while playing the audio is good. There are no stereo speakers are available, but the loudness is quite good, which is coming from the bottom of the speaker. In short, this display is amazing. This Vivo V30e comes with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. This is a 4nm build processor. Initially, I thought this processor couldn't handle all tasks and heavy games, but I was wrong guys. The good thing is the battery efficiency is amazing in this one. I already posted a dedicated video about the battery drain test. You can check the video link in the description box or else in the iCards. Look at the screenshot here that I got while using this mobile. I used this mobile for heavy gaming and checking cameras indoors and outdoors. The performance is top notch. And also as a complimentary, it produces very less heat. Yes, it is getting little warmer if you use it in direct sunlight, but for normal usage, it feels cooler. This mobile doesn't comes with any cooling chamber, but due to the design, it feels cooler. I checked on the official website whether this mobile comes with any cooling system, but they didn't mention it anywhere that this mobile is having a cooling system. In everyday usage, there are no lags or frame drops. Everything is up to the mark and the response time is also good. Even you can play graphic games as well without major heating issues. You can check the gaming review of this mobile as well as the temperature it reached the maximum for every gameplay in the dedicated video that I posted already. Check the video link in the description box. Overall, this processor is good. It's like an all-rounder mobile in terms of processor. This Vivo V30e comes with two cameras on the backside and a single camera on the front. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel. The photos and videos are looking great and good in natural lighting conditions. If you click in dull or low light conditions, actually the nighttime conditions, you notice some noise and the quality is not up to the mark. Come to the videos, you can record at a maximum of 4K 30 FPS by using the both cameras. The video quality is fine and again it's good for outdoor daytime conditions. Vivo mobiles are actually best for its cameras according to them. I can say that yes, but it's not 100%. You get a lot of features in the camera app. Those are unnecessary for everyone. Hey, the photos and videos were great. There is no doubt about that. But the options, it's like confusing the user to choose which option is best for that particular time. Let's take an example of Pixel mobiles. You just take the mobile from your pocket, open the camera app and click the photo. That's all. If in case you want to edit the photo, you can do it in the future. But what if the camera app having a lot of filters and options that mess up your total brain? This happens a lot in Vivo mobiles. If you want to know more details in depth about the photos and videos, portrait shots, camera features and more about this mobile, I already posted a dedicated video. You can check more things about the camera in depth in that video. Check the link in the description box. This Vivo V30 comes with a 5500 mAh lithium ion battery. The battery backup is good in this mobile. You get in between 5 to 7 hours or even 8 hours of screen on time for a single charge based on your usage. Even the standby time is also good. I got more than 7 days of standby time in my usage. This mobile is supported for 44 watts wired charging. The beauty part is you get the charger inside the box. Now we are observing the no charger trend in almost all mid-range, below mid-range, even flagship mobiles also. But this one comes with a fast charger in the box, which is a good thing. It took less than 40 minutes to charge completely from 0 to 50% in this switch off condition during my test. If you want to know how much time does it take to charge 0 to 100%, check out the charging test video that I posted already on this channel, so you get an idea how much time does it take. If you charge 100% and use it in mixed conditions like gaming, using cameras, multimedia, web browsing, etc., you get 1 full day of battery backup. Even if you want, you can do the reverse charging as well with this one. I tried with the Type-C to Type-C cable, but it didn't work if I connect to a Samsung mobile. After that, I connected the USB Type-A to Type-C converter, then it worked. There are no battery draining or battery dropping issues in this mobile, and even the processor is good for handling these things. The standby time is really amazing, guys. And by the way, there is no wireless charging support is there for this one. The overall battery backup is amazing and the charging speeds are also good on this Vivo V30e mobile. This Vivo V30e comes with Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14 out of the box. You find a lot of features in the mobile with this FunTouch OS. I already started posting some related videos like the main videos about the FunTouch OS. You can check the video links and everything on this channel or else in the description box. According to some sources of the website, this mobile is supported for 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. Vivo didn't post or showcased anything about the software update policy of this mobile. Even for some of the mobiles also they didn't post it anywhere. I don't know what's wrong with them. But most of the Vivo mobiles get 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. In that sense, I'm thinking this mobile also will get the same. Recently, I got the May security patch update on this one. Now I'm recording this video in June month. So after every successful month, you get the security patch update on this mobile up to now. So for 2 to 3 years, you can use this mobile without any issues. Now let's talk about the extra features. These are some extra features that are available and not available on this mobile. First, let's see the available features. Number one is this one is supported for IP68 dust and water resistance. Number 2, dual SIM card support is there. Number 3, 8 5G bands are supported in this mobile. Number 4, micro SD card option is there. Now let's see what are the features that are not available in this one. Main thing, number 1 is there is no 3.5 headphone jack is there, so which is quite surprising for me because these Vivo and Oppo mobiles comes with a 3.5 headphone jack. I don't know what's wrong with them now. Number 2, there is no 60 fps video recording option for 4K videos. This is also very bad, guys. Number 3, there are no stereo speakers support is there, which is must for this price range, and most of the mobiles in this price range will get the stereo speakers, but this one didn't. So finally, this is the verdict of Vivo V30e mobile. This is a decent purchase under 30,000 rupees. It comes with a lot of features for what you are actually paying for, but the basic features like 3.5 headphone jack, stereo speakers and some are not available, where these are like must for this price range. Even the camera department, there is no 60 fps video recording for 4K video. Yes, maybe there is a constraint from processor side which doesn't support 60 fps, but why not you come with a processor that supports 60 fps? For 30,000 rupees price range, even the Pixel mobiles are also coming close to that. So people will obviously choose the Pixel mobiles rather than this mobile if in case they want only camera centric smartphone. The major good things about this mobile are the form factor as well as the display. It's a beautiful screen with good peak brightness values. The colors and contrast are absolutely good. For multimedia usage, this is great. Even the battery backup for the processor we are getting in this mobile is amazing. And also you will get a fast charger in the box. This mobile is good for those people who are looking for an all-rounder mobile with decent cameras, good performance and good battery backup. If in case you are planning to buy this mobile only for camera centric, then it's not a good buy. If in case you missed the previous video that I uploaded, click here or click this video where YouTube is suggesting that this is the best video that many of the people are watching.